Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
To bookmark a page quickly in Chrome, focus on the address bar and click the star icon at the right end of the bar. That opens the Save dialog where you can name the bookmark, pick a folder such as Bookmarks Bar or other bookmarks, and click Done to store it. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+D to open the exact same Save dialog, and then choose the folder and Done. This method saves a bookmark in 3 simple actions and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. To organize bookmarks, open the Bookmark Manager using the menu or the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+O. The manager shows all saved links and folders in a tree view where you can create a new folder with a right-click or the 3-dot menu. Drag and drop bookmarks into folders or reorder them. Right-click any bookmark to edit its name or URL or to delete it. Use the search box at the top of Bookmark Manager to find links quickly by title or by typing a portion of the URL. For fastest access, show the bookmarks bar with Ctrl+Shift+B so saved sites appear beneath the address bar as buttons. Drag a bookmark onto the bar or into a folder there for one-click access. To save horizontal space, right-click a bookmark, choose Edit, and remove most of the name so only the site icon appears. If you sign in to Chrome and enable sync for bookmarks, your saved links and folders will replicate across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.